welcome to a special edition food challenge video. Today we got a special guest, Mark, and today we're doing the ultimate spicy noodles challenge. We have 3 different kinds of noodles. We got the cheese, hot spicy cheese chicken noodles. We got the carbonara, and we have the volcano chicken noodles. So I think we got it in order from the least to the spiciest. Which one haven't you tried yet?
I haven't tried this one and this one.
Okay, and this one I have never put the whole amount of spiciness inside. We're gonna have 2 rules, and 2 rules only. No water, no beverages, and first one to finish all of it is the winner. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Alright, so this is Tito Mark's first challenge ever on my channel. He loves noodles. All of the relatives said he's been eating noodles since he was like 3 years old, 2 years old, probably 1 year old, probably when he was still in Lola's stomach. Alright you guys, we're gonna start this challenge, this epic noodles challenge in 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, I'm gonna try the cheese one first. Here we go. Taste test.
It's good.
It's not bad. Hot. Oh dude, it's hot already, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Woo, woo. How you feel? Okay?
Volcano.
No way. I'm starting to sweat already. Alright, carbonara. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. This one. It's gotta be my favorite right here. What? Wait, which one is that? The cheese one?
Yep.
You like this one though, huh? The carbonara?
Yeah.
It's tasty. This one has probably the most flavor. I want to go ahead and try the volcano one. Whew. So nervous. Alright. Happy Friday, you guys. Cheers.
Wow.
That was not that bad. It's not that bad, dude.
It's alright.
Alright, first one to finish is the winner.
Okay, let's go.
Overdrive!
You got some napkin. Right?
I'm hot. Bro.
That's pretty hot.
Oh my god. That's hot.
Woo! That's hot.
Oh my god, I'm getting hiccups. Thank you. Here you go, bro. Oh my god, I'm sweating so bad. I'm sweating in my arm. Why does it seem like it's not doing anything for you? God, it's so spicy. Each one. Complete. I'm getting sapon, bro.
That's pretty hot.
That's hot, huh? I'm glad I'm eating this one next. Carbonara. This one's my favorite. Oh my god. How are you doing this?
It's hot.
It's hot.
It is hot.
You look at my eyes.
I love you.
Look at your eyes. I can't even smell. I can't even taste anymore. I'm numb.
I can't feel my mouth.
Oh.
This is gonna be a tough one right here.
It's the worst one. There you go. So carbonara is done. I think the trick is to just get it over with. Woo! Last one, you guys. Oh. Ooh, my lips are quivering. Comment down below on your favorite one, you guys. Dude, I'm sweating. I'm just gonna go for it. Overdrive. Oh my god. I want to cry right now. Oh my god. Woo! Don't eat this one, you guys. Oh god. Oh my god.
That's pretty hot.
Oh. I'm gonna be honest, I lost my taste buds like from the first bite. I gotta get this over with. I'm sorry to the mark. See you later, dude.
Dang.
Whoa. Oh my god. This is it. My lips. Sorry, man. Did good. But woo! That's it, you guys. Ray is the winner. Oh, Tito Mark in second place. Oh my god. Oh. This was pretty bad. This is bad. I need water.
It actually tastes good.
When does it start tasting good? It's making it worse. Yeah, it's making it worse. Thank you, Tito, for this. Oh, it feels better. Look at Tito Mark's eyes.
It's hot.
Oh my god, I'm sweating, like I feel like my forehead's glistening. This is no joke, you guys.
The water makes it worse.
It made it 10 times worse. Don't drink water. I know if you guys tried all these before, comment down below on your favorites. Comment down below on which one you think is the spiciest. This one, hands down, gotta be the spiciest. This one's a good number 2. The cheese one's a good number 2. That one's pretty spicy. I didn't taste any cheese in there. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This one has the most flavor.
The carbonara, right?
Right? Yeah.
This is the best one.
That's the best one. Tito Mark, he makes his own ramen, his own noodles. He hooks it up with the broth, and he makes it fully loaded. If you guys want to see a video on a tutorial on how to make the best ramen, comment down below. We'll come back. We'll come to his place, and he'll give us a rundown of what it takes to make the best spicy ramen noodles you can ever taste. Oh my god, dude. This is pretty bad, dude. I still feel it. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram. I love you guys so much. Comment down below on the next challenge you want to see. Any last words?
Thank you.
Shout out to Maxine, Mylene, Ate Maria. They're at home watching. Tito Mark do his thing, supporting from a distance. Shout out to you guys. Peace.
So if you were to rate 1 through 3, which is the favorite? The most.
This is good.
No, it's my favorite. This one doesn't even have like a flavor. It's
No,
just
this
spicy.
is just spicy.
Straight spicy.